The X-Tronic 3090 Pro X Soldering Station is designed to cater to both advanced users and beginners, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of skill levels. Equipped with a powerful 75-watt soldering iron, this station offers a remarkable temperature range from 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, ensuring precision in various tasks. The station features an intuitive dual LED display that shows both set and real-time temperatures, enhancing user control and accuracy. A standout feature is its PID technology, also known as magic temperature compensation, which maintains temperature stability for consistent performance. This comprehensive kit includes practical accessories such as 5 extra soldering tips, a solder sucker, and 4 helping hands, making it an all-inclusive solution for soldering needs. Furthermore, the X-Tronic 3090 Pro X is backed by lifetime support from experienced technicians and a 3-year warranty, underscoring the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction.